Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Farid Swanda. I will explain Module 5, Entity Relationship Diagram. In this module, I will explain about primary key and foreign key, database design, and entity relationship diagram. A primary key is a field or attribute that is marked as the primary key of a table in order to make the value of the primary key field a unique value. Then foreign key is a field in a table where the field is derived from the primary key field of another table in order to create a relationship with the table. The following are the primary key and foreign key of the Executive Information System of PT Adi Citra Sakti. First, sign-up table. The sign-up table contains a customer username of 12 characters as the primary key with a variable character data type, a customer name of 25 characters with the text data type, a customer email of 25 characters with a variable character data type. Then the customer create a password of 8 characters with a character variable data type. Next is user table. In user table contains a user ID of 6 characters as the primary key with an integer data type. Next, customer ID of 6 characters as a foreign key with integer data type. Next is an admin of 6 characters as a foreign key with an integer data type. An executive ID of 6 characters long, the characters as a foreign key with an integer data type. Next is the admin table. Admin table contains an admin ID of 6 characters as the primary key with an integer data type. Next, an admin username of 12 characters with a variable data type. An admin name of 25 characters with a text data type. Admin email of 25 characters with a variable data type. The admin password is 8 characters long with the variable character data type, and data center update is 500 characters long as a foreign key with the variable character or varchar data type. Next is customer table. The customer table contains a customer ID of 6 characters as primary key with an integer data type, a customer username of 12 characters as a foreign key with a variable character data type, a customer name of 25 characters with a text data type, an admin email 25 characters with the varchar data type, a characters long customer password with the variable varchar data type, 25 characters long customer phone number with varchar data type, 25 characters long company name with a text data type, customer address 30 characters long with text data type, and ID project order 100 characters long as a foreign key with a variable character data type. Next is executive table. The executive table contains an executive ID of 6 characters as the primary key with an integer data type, executive username of 12 characters with a variable character data type, executive name of 25 characters with a text data type, executive email with 25 characters with a data type character variable, executive password of 8 characters with varchar data type, and last data center view of 3 characters as foreign key with an integer data type. Next is data table. In data table contains a project details of 25 characters, the primary key with varchar data type, customer payment data for 25 characters as a foreign key with a variable character data type, project details of 25 characters with a varchar data type, and reports 25 characters long project finance as a foreign key with a variable character data type. Next is payment table. The payment table contains a 6-character customer ID as the primary key with an integer data type. 6 characters project ID as a foreign key with an integer data type. A payment data of 8 characters with a date data type, and last a total payment of 12 characters with an integer data type. Next is a project table. The project table contains a 6-character project ID as the primary key with an integer data type, a 25 characters, project name with a text data type, and 25 characters project owner with a text data type, a project vendor with 25 characters with a text data type, planning consultant for 6 characters with text data type, project start date for 8 characters with a date data type, deadline for 8 characters with a date data type, and last, the latest project progress of 500 characters with a text data type. Next, the last is financial table. The financial table contains project financial details of 500 characters as the primary key with the voucher data type, the project name of 25 characters with the text data type, project income of 12 characters with an integer data type, project expenditure of 12 characters with type integer data, 12 characters long project income from other sources with an integer data type, 12 characters long before tax profit and loss with data type, and 12 characters long after tax project profit and loss with an integer data type. Next is database design. Database design same with primary key and foreign key. There are sign up table, user table, admin table, customer table, executive table, data table, payment table, financial table, and project table. The database design uh, will create by XAMPP application, as we can see on the screen. And then continue with the creation of ERD or entity relationship diagram with the visual paradigm application. Next is entity relationship diagram. Entity relationship diagram is a diagram used for designing a database and shows the relationship between objects or entities and their attributes in detail. As we can see on the screen, the entity relationship diagram explain the relationship between the models contained in this case study. The customer sign up activity, which contains the customer ID, username, name, email, password, telephone number, company name, company address, and project order. You will input the information needed the sign up activity, namely username, name, email, password. And then user activities containing user ID, customer ID, admin ID, executive ID will confirm the data from the customer which contains the previously mentioned data. User activity will also confirm the data from the admin which contains admin ID, username, name, email, password, and data center updates. The user will also confirm the tab from the executive which contains the executive ID, username, password, name, email, and data center view. The customer will input a payment containing the customer name, project ID, payment date, and total payment. The admin will confirm the proof of payment that has been input by the customer as proof that the customer has made the payment. Payment activity will then also input project data which contains project ID, project name, project owner, project vendor, planning consultant, project start date, project deadline, and project latest developments. Payment activity will also input financial reports containing project financial details, project name, project income, project expense, income from other things, profit and loss before and after paying taxes. The executive can make an assessment of the data that has been input into the data center, which containing details, project, customer, payment data, project details, and project financial reports. That's all about entity relationship diagram. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.